So this is the urinary system model for Bio 158. So we're going to start at the top and work our way down. So these structures here are the kidneys, and sitting right above the kidneys are the adrenal glands. Now we can see blood vessels that go into the kidneys. This is the renal artery. This is the renal vein. So renal artery, renal vein. Coming out of the kidneys are these structures here, and those are the ureters. So those are the ureters, and they're going to take urine to this, which is the urinary bladder. So if we take the bladder and we open it up here, we can see the different layers of the urinary bladder. So this layer right here is the muscular wall of the urinary bladder. This is the lining, the inner lining, and that is the mucosal lining of the urinary bladder. And then we see this structure right here. This structure right here is called the trigone. So it essentially goes from the openings of the ureters to the opening of the urethra. So that is the trigone. And while we have this here, this is showing the prostate gland here and here. And so this tube going through the prostate gland is the prostatic urethra. So that is the prostatic urethra. Now let's go ahead and put the bladder back together here so we can see the other parts on this. And this is a male bladder that we're looking at. Here we're seeing the ureters right here and here. These structures here and here are the ductus deferens. So those are the ductus deferens. So that's a ductus deferens, that's a ductus deferens. Below those, here and here, those are the seminal vesicles. And this structure right here is the prostate gland. So that is the prostate gland. So ductus deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland.